Okay, and welcome to another little walk around tour. This is the Little Shore in Khao Lak. This is part of one of the hotel chains that I've reviewed before. They've got the waters and the sounds and the leaf. I'm just going to give you a quick walk around. This looks very, very much 5-star to me. I've not checked out the booking sites to check that, but I am getting a feel this is like honeymoon stylish. We have these beautiful oh, little areas up here. Yeah, and little private bungalows here. So I'm just going to walk you through just to give you an idea of what the grounds look like. It's not a room tour, this is just a quick walk through of the grounds. So if you are staying here or thinking of staying here, you'll just get an idea of what to expect. It's a beachside hotel, so you're right on the beach. From walking in from the beach, it's got some beautiful big infinity pools. It looks quite spectacular. They're doing a little bit of work here, a little bit of renovation work. Time of filming is June. It's low season, so a lot of the hotels in the area will be doing renovation work at the moment. That's quite standard. Okay, I'm just gonna nip through here. Don't think this is a path, but it's just a direct to the front of the hotel. Here we go. So there you go. You can get a nice vista of the bay. Okay, let's just walk you through this way. Lovely swim pool area. Nice big pool here. And then these have got like the swim up room areas. There we go, they look quite beautiful actually. That is absolutely stunning. That is definitely a honeymoon romantic getaway thing. Okay. There's no one here, so I am happy to film that. If there was people here, I wouldn't film. Just out of courtesy and privacy. If you do like these kind of like walkthrough videos, please do like and subscribe. Yeah. Nice big infinity pool here. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Right, I've got to figure a way back of getting round here now. I think I've come away I shouldn't have come. But hey ho. Okay, I'm just gonna jump down here, so bear with me. Oh. Yeah, I'm off the beaten path here. I don't think I should have come this way, but I've no idea where I am and I'm just gonna walk through. So there you go, whole back view. Look at that. That is stunning. Jacuzzi. Just here. And more of the ocean front. Jump down here. And you're off here into another big infinity pool, I think, which should be the main pool. I did walk past a little kids' play area, which I'm not going to film, but it does have a bit of a children's play area, and right next door to it is the children's gym, which all look brand new and all look very plush. As I say, this group of hotels does have quite a few other hotels in the area. There we go. Poolside swim up bar. We've got a big artificial beach area here. It's very bright, you can't see. Loads of chill out spots. We've got swinging seats next to the bar. Yeah, I'm definitely getting a 5-star feel for this place. It's quite beautiful. I will check it out on booking.com later and see how much it is, but I don't think you're going to get much change at 100 quid a night here. And the restaurant looks like it's just set back just here. If you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. I'll conclude the video here with a nice beach view. That looks quite beautiful to me. I could stay all day and just look at that kind of vista. Okay, that concludes the video, and thank you for watching.